Alright, Yon World. Today on my channel, I'm about to share how I made $71,000 from my iPhone in 2021. Now, this video, you'll probably never see another video like this on YouTube unless somebody recreate what I'm about to do, because this video is 100% original. I done looked on YouTube, I watched all of the different videos about how to make money online, and nobody has done it as real as I'm about to do it right now. Now, on this video, I'm about to show y'all proof that I made $71,000 in 5 months, right? Right now is May 26th. It's May 26th. You can see if we go to my phone, payment received, payment received, payment received. This is all from May 25th, right? All of these orders I got, and we got all of those orders from my website. You can see my website, yonworld.org. We got all of those orders from my website, and this is just some of the money. This is just money I cashed out, motivation purposes only. You know what I'm saying? $30,000. But I'm about to hop straight into my sales report and show y'all in 5 months I made $71,000 from my iPhone. Now, on this video, I'm gonna also show or tell y'all how much it cost me to make that much. I'm gonna show y'all the website I use to fulfill the service and let y'all know exactly what my business is. So here we go to PayPal. You will see my sales for 2021. Let me scroll up. All right, my current sales insight. We go to sales insight. You will see $43,683. I did over 2,700 transactions on PayPal, and my average order value was $16, right? And that allowed me to make $43,000, right? You can see this is my PayPal, Yon World LLC, my business PayPal account. But on my website, I also got a Stripe portal, right? I got a Stripe payment portal, right? You can see this is my Stripe account, Yon World LLC. And we go to the year to date, 5 months in, I already made $28,000 on my Stripe. Net profit, $26,000. Over 800 customers, right? And on PayPal, we got about 200 customers. So about 1,000 customers I done serviced this year. Already making money as early as 4/13, as y'all can see. Already got money coming in. You see what yesterday was looking like. But yeah, how I made this, right? How did I generate all of this money using the internet and my iPhone, right? As you can see, payments is coming in. Payments coming in. I don't want to show everything because it's personal information in there. But how I do this is by running a social media agency on my website, right? I created a website using Wix. This is how I created my website, right? On this website right here, you go to this platform called Wix. You can create you a simple website, right? And when we go to my website, let me stroll. This is what it looks like. Yon World, the Spotify method, right? And what I do is I offer music promotion to independent artists. So where I go to deliver my service is a website called Just Another Panel. Y'all see that? Just Another Panel. This is where I go to deliver the service, right? Now, I'm running a service business, a social media agency. How much did it cost me, right? We go into my account. You will see under account spending how much I've spent on Jet. It's a big number. It's a big number right there. $22,000. So in order for me to make $71,000, I had to spend $22,000, man. So I just want to let y'all know, like, a lot of times you will watch videos how to make money online. They don't teach you nothing. They gonna sell you a course. They gonna tell you all of this stuff about how they make money online. They don't tell you about how much they spend on advertising. None of that. Now, advertising, just to get into that, how did I advertise? Because in order to get these sales, right, as you can see, this is PayPal. It's my real PayPal account. And then we go to Stripe. In order to get these sales, how did I do it, right? I did it through YouTube. I did it by posting YouTube videos. And then I post my website in the description. That's all I do. I just post the link and I post the website in the description, right? And if you look up Yon World Spotify, you will see I made a lot of different videos about Spotify just over the past months, and I always left my website in the description. So that's the key, is like, make YouTube videos and leave your website in the description. And this can go for anything you advertising. You should make videos about it, telling people about your service, and have a clickable link. Like, the thing about the link, it has to be clickable. Like, let me just show you an example. If I click on and you see this blue link, right? It has to be clickable, right? Now, you could put a link in your description and it don't even work, right? You can put a link in your description and it don't even work, but you gotta make sure the link is clickable, right? So when I click on the link, it go. Click on the link, go to the website. So that's what you want it to do when you click on the link. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video, just a raw, uncut video. I'm not trying to, sell nothing to y'all. I'm just letting y'all know this is my business, this is my service, and this is how I made $71,000, right, from my iPhone right here, getting orders, just fulfilling orders. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, check out my website. I'm out. Peace.